All right, we just drove 2 hours to get the California Air Tools compressor. It's gonna power my AK3 Tufting gun. It's on the way. The model number is 10020C, and it's an ultra quiet and oil-free compressor. And here are the wheels. I'm gonna install these, and the owner's manual, and some other, look like some other mounts that I've got to put on. So let's take a look. And it's online, it's about $465, but I ended up getting it for pretty cheap, $205. Looks nice and new. Everybody say hey to Chico. He got to inspect it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels on, and I'll show you a little clip on how to put the wheels on, and I'm gonna set it up, put the oil filter on it, and basically get it set up so I can use it with my new AK3 Tufting gun. And I'll be doing an unboxing of that as well. So definitely check out, make sure you subscribe. TuftGod.